So in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to design a responsive watchlist page using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. So as you can see, we have a drop down in our header here, and when we click on watchlist, it will take us to our watchlist. And in our watchlist, we have a basic header, we have a footer, and right here we have divided our page into two parts. I think we have a 3 column division here and a 9 column division here, and here we can toggle between our my cart and our recent. So these pages haven't been linked yet, so I can't switch into those yet as of yet. And we have a search bar here to search in our watch list, and we have a search button, and here we have our watch list, our heading here. So that is that. We have done it to the size of all 6, and we have start shopping button. So we have no items in our watch list. So once we click on start shopping, it will take us back to our home page. And now here when we are in our home page, let's say I watch this item. So now we have one item watched, and we have the Apple iPhone 12. So when we click on watch list, we'll be having that product displaying on our screen. So right here we have Apple iPhone 12. So here we have few buttons here. Buy now, add to cart, and remove, and we have our product title, we have our product color, the condition, and then we have the number of quantities, the quantity available, the number of items, then we have the price, and then we have the seller's name. So that is it. So in a similar process, we can add many more products like this by clicking on that heart icon, and if I go and click it again, this item will be erased from our watch list page. So that is it on how the user interface is designed for this page. Let's move on to our code. Hello everyone, so here we are in our code right now. So we are in our header.php where we have our drop down here called my eShop, and when we click on the item or the list value watch list, it will redirect us to the page watchlist.php via an anchor tag. So here this is our watchlist page, and here we have taken our normal attached files which we need. So our style sheets are here, and we have our product title, our page title, and we have added our header. If there is a user within this session, then we open up the watch list page, and here it will say search in watch list. We have the placeholder, the input field, and then we have a search button, and then we on the left side we have a breadcrumb. So here the breadcrumb which we saw was on the left side of our page we could toggle. So here we have the home, the watch list, and here we have a nav here, so which can navigate us to my watchlist page or the my cart or reasons. So here my cart and the reasons page hasn't been designed yet, so there is no point in anchoring the page at the moment. Then we have connected our database to this program. So here we have taken our users details, our users email and the username and user, and here we have opened up a database search query. So we are selecting all from the watch list where the user email is equal to the user or the person who logged in. So that will have the variable name watch_rs, watch result set. So from that result set, the number of rows is introduced as a variable named watchnum_num, and if that is 0, then we have a call 12 and call large 9, and it will say empty view. So empty view is our class. Basically empty view is this, so height 400 pixels, and we have the image for there are no items in your watch list, and it will be in the center, the size is contained, and there is no repeat. So back to our watch list, it will say you have no items in your watch list yet, and that will display in a label, and we have a button start shopping, and that will take us back to our home page. So how we get a product into, so since that happens, how we actually get a product into our watch list is by clicking this. So we have our watch list here. So in our watch list we have to find a product first. So let's find a product in our home page. So here we have a heart icon. So what it does here is, if the watch list number is 1, there's a button. So that button has the heart field and the text danger sign. So when you click that, it will add to watch list. So the product data, the ID is sent, and the ID name is heart, and the product data will be sent. Else, if the color is black, then it will also be sent, add to watch list with the product data. And so let's so we have a on click function here. So let's move on to our JavaScript right here. So we should have add to watch list. So here we have opened up a new so we have taken our ID. So the contents which within our brackets in the on click function is our ID, and we have opened up a new XML HTTP request as a get process, which takes us to a add to watch list process .php question mark ID equals exclamation mark the ID true, and it will take us to add to watch list process. So from there we'll be having another process which we'll be discussing in our next video. So that is it for the design. And so once we get our product here, then we'll be getting a, so I have added a standard card right here, the Bootstrap card, so we can see the Apple iPhone, the product name, so and its attributes. So that is that. We cannot access this feature if we have not logged into this page. If we haven't logged in, it will say please log in first, and then we have finally have the footer of our page and the JavaScript resources. And that is it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.